Greetings to everyone on behalf of Pharmadocx Consultants. Today I will provide you all information regarding the requirements for Class C and Class D medical devices starting from 1st October 2023. First, we need to understand what are Class C and Class D medical devices. All the medical devices based on the risks associated with them have been divided into 4 categories, namely Class A, B, C and D. Class A is the lowest risk devices, whereas Class D are the highest risk devices. When the medical device rules were first introduced in year 2017, there were certain medical devices which had been notified. The medical devices which had been notified in year 2017 required a manufacturing license on Form MD9 for Class C and Class D medical devices effective immediately. These devices were known as notified medical devices, meaning a license was required for either importing or manufacturing them. In the period of 6 years from 2017 to 2023, certain medical devices were classified as Class C and Class D medical devices. These devices were also called non-notified medical devices, meaning the day they were classified, no license was required to import or manufacture these devices, only a registration as per the Chapter 3A of the medical device rules was required. For these non-notified medical devices, the CDSCO had posted a deadline of 30th September 2023 for obtaining the license to manufacture Class C and Class D non-notified medical devices on Form MD9 or an import license of Class C and Class D medical devices on MD15. CDSCO had further released a circular vide file number 29/MISC/03/2022-DC-94 dated 12th April 2023, in which they had informed that the Class C and Class D non-notified medical devices which had been under the mandatory registration will come under the licensing regime with effect from 1st of October 2023. That means with effect from today, which is 1st October 2023, no Class C and Class D medical devices can be manufactured in India or imported into India without having a valid license on Form MD9 for manufacturing and on Form MD15 for importing. The process for obtaining a MD9 license for the old manufacturers in India is simple. They need to apply on the online CDSCO portal on Form MD7. Certain documents such as the device master file, plant master file, quality management system, along with some legal documents such as the rent agreement or company incorporation documents need to be submitted on the online CDSCO portal. The documents will be scrutinized by the medical device officers in CDSCO zonal offices. Once the scrutiny has been completed, an audit will be marked and the premises will be audited by a team of medical device officers from CDSCO zonal offices. Once the non-conformities observed during the audit of the premises by medical device officers has been completed, the license to manufacture Class C and Class D medical devices on Form MD9 will be issued to the firm by CDSCO headquarters in Delhi. The government fees for license on MD9 is Rs 50,000 for the license and Rs 1,000 per product. This license is valid in perpetuity, subject to a payment of retention fees every 5 years, which is calculated as equal to the fees for the new license. In order to import medical devices of Class C and Class D into India, MD15 will be required. The process for obtaining MD15 license is as follows. The authorized agent in India needs to make an application to the CDSCO headquarters in New Delhi. Documents of the exporting company such as the manufacturing licenses held in the foreign country, the free sale certificates, CE certificates, etc. need to be uploaded on the online CDSCO portal along with the device master file and the plant master file of the product. The legal documents which will be uploaded on the CDSCO portal need to be notarized or apostilled in the country of origin. Once the scrutiny of documents is completed by the medical device officers at the CDSCO headquarters in New Delhi, the license is issued to the firm on Form MD15. The fee for Class C and Class D medical devices for import is $3,000 per manufacturing site and $1,500 per product. This license is also valid till perpetuity, subject to a payment of retention fees every 5 years, which is calculated as same as that of a new importing license. We at Pharmadocx Consultants can guide you in obtaining both MD9 and MD15 licenses for your Class C and Class D medical devices. You may contact us on 9996859227 for any of your medical device related queries or reach out to us on contact@pharmadocx.com. You can also visit our website www.pharmadocx.com to obtain checklists for both MD9 and MD15 licenses. We at Pharmadocx have an experience of over 16 years in the field of medical devices. We will ensure that the process of obtaining MD9 and MD15 license is hassle-free for the organization. Thank you for watching. Let us know any doubts which you are having in the comment box below.